Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this unicorn bookmark. You can use it like this. So to make this, you will need a 10 cm by 20 cm rectangular sheet. Fold it in half like this. And then in half like this. Now open it and you will have a line in the middle. Fold it downwards like this. Do it the same on the other side. And now turn it the other side and fold this upwards like this on both the sides. Now take your glue and stick it here like this. Some glue, then stick it on like this. The corners, and then on the other side like this. Now take your scissors and you will have to make this cut here and here in the corners. So cut a V. It's like an upside down V. There like that. And then the corners like that. And like that. Now to keep these two together, you will have to take a sheet and stick it here like this. Take some glue, apply it here, and then stick it over here like this. Now we will have to cut off the excess, the sheet here that's coming outside. First cut it out on like this, that, and then cut it over here like this, there and there, then like that. And now we have made the face, so let's go into the details. Now we will make the hair. For making the hair, you will need a 3 cm by 7 cm rectangular sheet. Take your sketch pens. I have taken purple, pink, red, yellow and blue. Take your scale and then take your sketch pens and draw lines on the sheet one by one like this to make the pattern. You can use any colors you want. That, the pink, that, and then the purple, that. You should keep making lines over the whole piece until you have colored it and you have something like this. So now take your bookmark and you will have to stick it on like this. Take your glue, put some glue over the corner here and then stick it like this. Press it like this, and now take your scissors and you will have to cut it over each color like this, on red and then yellow, then blue, like this. You should keep cutting that. That, then there. Red, yellow, blue. I have colored it in a sequence, like it is actually blue, yellow, red, pink and then purple. There, come halfway through. There, like that, that. Oops. That, red, yellow, blue, purple, pink, red, it's the blue, purple, pink, red, almost there, blue, purple, pink, red, and there. Now I have finished cutting, and there you can see you'll have a smooth, you'll have your hair ready. And now we will have to do the ear. For the ear, you will have to cut this shape of paper and then take your pink and make a patch in the middle like this, and then color it inside like this. Now take your glue, put some over the corner and then you will have to stick it through this middle part here like this, on top right here like that, and then you will have to pull it and push it together like that, and there. And now we'll have to do the horn. For the horn, you will have to cut this shape out of a silver glitter foam sheet. It's basically a V on the bottom and a normal horn shaped on the top. So take your glue and put some on top here in the V shape place, and then stick it a bit below, like over here, there, like that. And now we have almost finished making the bookmark. You just have to draw the eyes and the other things. So take your black pen and draw the kawaii eyes. To draw the kawaii eyes, you just have to draw a circle like that, and then draw 2 circles inside, one and a smaller one there. And now you'll have to color the outer part like that. And there you have finished making the kawaii eyes. So now you should draw this part. It's like a tick mark, but it's curved here. So you'll have to draw it like this. And now take your pink color and draw the blush like this. That. And now we have finished making the unicorn bookmark. It was really easy making it, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.